I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to sign up on Instagram. For that, open up your Instagram app on your phone. After you open up the app, at the bottom of the page you'll see the option of sign up. Tap on it. You will need to now create a username, and when you're done, tap on next. After that, set a password. Again, tap on next. Select complete sign up. Now you'll have to either add a phone number or email. For now, I'm going to add my email address. And after you're done, tap on next. Now Instagram will send you a confirmation code on your mail. Enter the confirmation code and then tap on next. If you want to add a profile picture, tap on add a photo. You can import photo from Facebook, take a photo, or choose a photo from library. If you're going to choose a photo from library, select the photo, adjust the photo, and then tap on done, which is on top right. After that, tap on next. If you want to find Facebook friends, tap on connect to Facebook friends. If not, tap on skip. If you want to sync contacts, tap on search your contacts, or else tap on skip. Tap on remember to remember your login info. Now Instagram will suggest you some accounts you can follow. Tap on follow to follow them. When you're done, tap on next, which is on top right. This way you can easily create Instagram account. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.